Hey guys, welcome back to Stock Tech, and today I have come back with the Nifty View video. As always, we have been posting the analysis video along with the Nifty chart analysis. So this month, for the month of April, I have come back with the video. We would be going through the video, we would be opening the Nifty chart and analyzing and seeing the levels for the upcoming week. That is the second week expiry. We will be seeing the Nifty analysis for the monthly expiry of April, and also what is the future of the markets from here. I will try to explain in this video. Okay, as you guys know that we had posted a video on Nifty analysis even last month. Around March 10th, we had posted the video. If you go and watch that video, guys, I would tell you Nifty is exactly reacting as per the levels posted in that video. Okay, if you watch carefully, Nifty is exactly moving and behaving, reacting, I would say, exactly we had analyzed in that video. We had posted the levels. Even today, those levels hold good. Even today, those levels hold good. But you can assume this video to be a revision session of that video. So where I'll be showing you more accurate levels. So it takes a lot of effort to analyze these levels and to give you all the correct levels. So in return, what do we expect? We expect you to subscribe to our YouTube channel. So what do you have to do? All you have to do is just go to YouTube. Okay, just go to YouTube and search for Stock Tech, and you will find Stock Tech over here. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel. You can just click the subscribe and the bell icon so that you stay updated. We have a lot of videos on the YouTube channel, like trading strategies and educational videos. We have a Nifty View, Nifty charts, entire playlist for this kind of videos. And then we have the profits by Stock Tech, demand and supply analysis, and a lot more uh, stuff on the channel. So you guys can go to the channel, watch the videos, and benefit yourself from us. If somebody wants to know more about us, that is more about Stock Tech and me, you can visit our website www.stocktech.in. On the website, you have all our details about us, who are the founders of Stock Tech, and you also have details about our courses, what do we have to offer, etc. Okay, having said that, let me remind you again, do not forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel. Let us begin. I will go straightly to the Nifty chart, and this is the Nifty chart right in front of us. We can see Nifty is at 22,513 levels currently. If you talk about last month when we had posted the video, we had clearly shown you guys that there is a resistance over here. That is 22,530. It was a strong resistance with a very strong supply zone over here. Okay, very strong supply zone over here. And there was a strong resistance over here, as you guys can see. And Nifty was struggling to cross over this resistance in the last few days, especially from the 28th of March. 28th of March, you can see Nifty came up over here and was rejected exactly from this level itself. Nifty was rejected over here. Then moving on to 1st of April, you can see there was a rejection from here. 2nd April, there was a rejection from here. 3rd April, there was a rejection from this level. 4th of April, Nifty gave a false breakout. What is a false breakout, guys? Try to understand. Okay, let's assume there is a resistance level. Okay, this is a resistance level. Now, what is a false breakout? Most of the time, okay, Nifty goes above this level but fails to close above this level and comes and closes over here. A lot of people looking at this rally above Nifty get carried away and start buying over here. This is called a false break. What is a correct breakout? When Nifty closes above the resistance level, this is called a real breakout. Okay, so now if you observe carefully over here in this picture, okay, in this chart, Nifty had given a false breakout over here, then came back and closed in the supply zone itself. So you still cannot consider that it is a clean breakout. It is not a clean breakout as of now. You can see even on Friday, Nifty opened gap down, recovered, tried to cross this level, was rejected at the resistance, and closed within the supply zone or below the resistance. So as long as it keeps closing below the resistance, there is no chances that there could be a big rally. Now, if you look at the trend analysis, considering this as the new top, we will find that the resistance is a very strong resistance now, connecting almost 3 tops over here. I would just extend it right. This is the new resistance that has been formed now, considering the current top as the new point of resistance. Okay, so you will see a new resistance line passing through this. Now, if I look at the supports, I will just draw the supports over here, and you can see this is also a strong support considering that it is connecting more than three tops over here. So you can see this is a strong support over here. Okay, so you have the resistance, you have the support, and Nifty is currently in the supply zone. Now people keep asking me what would be the next move. See, as per the chart right now, and since Nifty has been rejected from this level, okay, you can expect Nifty to come down over here. Nifty to come down over here. Okay, this can be the expectations in the next few days, because you can see a double top formation over here. Double top formation over here. If Nifty has a red Monday, if Nifty has a red Monday, it is a confirmation that Nifty may come down to 21,970 levels approximately. So this level is now very crucial. Okay, see, if you see, this supply zone itself has been rejecting Nifty once, twice, thrice, four times, and even on Friday 5 times. Only on Thursday Nifty gave a false breakout, made a new top, and came down and closed within the supply zone. So this is actually a very risky pattern. If you guys know about this pattern, okay, this is a very risky pattern. It is a rising wedge pattern, as you call it. Okay, there are hundreds of patterns, trading patterns. If you guys have learned about it, it is one among those patterns. Let me show you a rising wedge pattern. So I'll just go to Google over here and just type rising wedge pattern. Okay, if you go to a rising wedge pattern, look at this. This is a rising wedge. Forget the falling wedge, okay, or a rising wedge. This is a rising wedge, okay, here. So what is it saying? See, this is a simple Google search. A rising wedge pattern most of the time leads to a breakdown. Okay, so many analysis posted here based on rising wedge. See here, rising wedge leads to a breakdown. This is what majority of the analysts say, that a rising wedge, see a rising wedge, okay, a narrowing, upward narrowing pattern, you can see rising wedge. This pattern leads to a breakdown in prices majority of the time. So if you guys see here, it is a rising wedge pattern. So now rising wedge pattern, double top formation, and one big red candle on Monday would give us a confirmation that the stock can come down rapidly. But as of now, you cannot say what's going to happen. Nifty is at the make or break levels. So Monday is a very crucial day for Nifty, because on Monday, if Nifty crosses above this red level, that is Nifty crosses above the resistance line and the supply zone, it has to cross the supply zone, and along with the supply zone, it crosses above the resistance level and closes here. Remember, closing is very important. A lot of people will get trapped again on Monday if they see a rally here. If you guys can see, it is a pin bar formation, so pin bars can lead to rallies. But if there is a rally over here, you have to be careful that the closing should be above the red line. The closing, that is the resistance level. So for Monday specifically, if I'm talking, I want a closing about 22,640. So let me mark it very clearly over here, that if you are talking specifically about Monday, okay, I want a closing above 22,635 levels, because this is a very strong resistance for Monday. This is a very strong resistance for Monday. If you guys can see over here, this is a very strong resistance for Monday, 22,635. Okay, this resistance keeps increasing day by day. Okay, on Tuesday it will be 22,640. Okay, on if you go, like, let's say to 23rd April, that will be 22,684. So for Tuesday, okay, so for Monday 20,635, and for Tuesday 22,640. So it's safer side 22,640 I will take as the point of resistance. So I want on Monday a closing about 22,640. If on Monday there's a closing about 22,640, you can expect a fresh rally in the markets. You can expect a fresh rally in the markets. But in case, okay, it does not cross over these levels and makes a deep red candle, then it will be a confirmation of a double top, okay, with a resistance of a falling wedge, which can bring down Nifty to approximately 21,200 levels. So you may get to see a fall of approximately 600-700 points in the month of April. So Monday, Tuesday are very crucial levels for Nifty. They are make or break levels. So you have to be very cautious about this, very cautious about this. Okay, this is for a long-term perspective, for I mean 1 month perspective. Okay, so that will be the levels for this particular month. Now, if you're looking for 10th March expiry, sorry, what will be the next expiry? Expiry will be 11th March, 11th April, 11th April expiry. That is 1 week expiry. So I'll go down to the lower time frames. Okay, so when you go down to the lower time frames, let me take out this entire analysis. I hope you guys are clear with the day time frame levels. Okay, now tomorrow intraday trades. People who are looking for intraday trades, it is very simple for you guys. You can go long if you want to go long. You have to go long only when Nifty crosses 22,619 levels. Okay, sorry, 22,619 is a strong intraday resistance. But as I told you, 22,635 is also very close. Is also very close. So right now, if I draw the levels clearly, okay, here you can see this is a support line, which is acting as a support line. This is for intraday trading, and this is the resistance line, okay, which has been acting like this. So you can see it is an uptrend channel. It was a down leg over here. Now it is going in an uptrend. But the resistance, intraday resistance is over here. And if you see, if you extend this line, and tomorrow, if you are taking it, it is going again 22,880. But since, you know, the major resistance, that is the higher time frame resistance in the day time frame resistance is 22,640. Okay, 640 levels. I would recommend to be on the shorter side. Okay, so I am not planning to go long. If I have to take trade, I would go on the shorter side. I would take an entry around this levels because I am expecting Nifty to go till here, and there might be some chances. If there is a breakdown, go short over here with 22,640 as your stop loss, because that is the last level of resistance that Nifty is going to face, 22,640. So you can go short anywhere over here in this range. Okay, if you're getting short around 22,620, very good. Around before that, very good. But in case there's an early breakdown due to certain reasons, if there is a breakdown, then you can go short over here, short over here. You can go long only above this. Okay, if you guys have seen Friday, the global markets were aggressively positive, so a lot of people are expecting a gap up as well. So what if you are expecting a gap up? What should be your trade levels? Okay, see, a gap up mostly spoils the game most of the time. Okay, and Nifty is currently at the points of resistance near the supply zones, so there will be a panic if there is a big gap up. If there is a big gap up in this case, okay, 1 second. If there's a big gap up in this case and Nifty opens above 20,640 levels, okay, then you can go long considering this as your point of resistance, and you can aim a minimum target. Okay, let's say Nifty opens gap up above this, you can go long for Tuesday and expect a minimum target of 22,800 in the coming days, in 1 or 2 days, that is Monday and Tuesday, if Nifty opens a big gap up and about this resistance level. But one thing you have to be cautious is sometimes very big gap ups spoil the game. Very big gap ups spoil the game. Yes. So these are the levels for intraday trades as well. But on the major levels, on the major analysis, okay, you can see clearly see that I will not go long as Nifty does not cross over this resistance line that is over here, because this is a falling wedge and we can see a double top formation over here. So if Nifty does not cross over this, then Nifty will see a big fall over here, big fall over here. Okay, so trade carefully and trade cautiously. Okay, let's see what is Bank Nifty doing. Bank Nifty doing. Okay, so if you go to Bank Nifty is also again in the supply levels, which is at resistance level. For Monday, the strong resistance for Bank Nifty would be 48,644 levels, above which the banking stocks may rally. And if it does not cross this, then we may see a heavy recovery, a heavy fall over here up to this levels. Okay. So Bank Nifty is also in the resistance levels. So you have to be very cautious on Monday. If a big gap up closes above this, then a big rally is ahead. But remember, for intraday purposes, big gap ups can again spoil the games. They would open gap up and correct itself. Okay. Along with this, today I'm going to show you a new analysis. Okay, that is, we will be analyzing the gold charts today. Gold charts. Let's see what are the levels of gold, because I had told in a video long ago, when gold was around 50,000, I had told that gold would cross 70,000. And on the video, we had received some criticism that how would gold cross 70,000. But ultimately, that turned out to be true. And gold crossed over 70,000 yesterday itself. On Friday itself, gold has crossed. Gold also was a rising wedge like a Nifty. You guys can see it was a rising wedge like Nifty. Okay. And gold crossed over 70,000 over here. Gold crossed over 70,000 over here. Okay, it gave a breakout. So Nifty also can give a breakout. Okay, it's not that we may not have a breakout. Even though it was a rising wedge, it was a clean breakout over here. If you guys know, okay, those who have attended our classes, our buy call was here. Our buy call was over here. 7th October, 6th October, 7th October. This was our buy call. Recent batch students who have taken trainings from October know this very well, that why we had suggested the buy call over here. What was the analysis? We have told you. Now, what is the analysis? What is the analysis? Now guys, see, one second. Every time gold is coming down to the supports, it's making a pin bars and then it is rallying. So you can see a clean rally in gold. Now, people ask me, what is the resistance? Okay. If you don't understand anything, zoom out. If you're confused, zoom out. The solution to this problem, sometimes people say, sir, I'm not understanding the chart. I have only one solution for them. Zoom out. So I'll go to the monthly time frames. So when I go to the monthly time frame, I can see a all-time higher resistance line passing over here. You have seen it. I've connected the drawing according to our analysis, what we do at StockTech. Okay, we don't follow the conventional method of drawing trend lines like others do. We have a very different method of drawing it, which our students know it very well. So this resistance line is passing over here. Okay, now let me come back to the day time frame. Let me come back to the day time frame. So let me zoom out. So there's no stopping to gold up to 75,000. You will soon see April, May, and abhi to wedding season bhi start hoga. So okay, after the wedding season, you are going to have a lot of weddings. Okay, in the vacations, and up to June, you are going to have a lot of weddings. April, May. So यहाँ पे भी बड़ी rally gold में आती है. Usually, that is the psychological analysis about gold, but that is not the major reason. The major reason for the rally in the gold is the geopolitical unrest, whatever is happening in Palestine, the global factors, all this impact gold. It's a big game, which I will explain in some other video. So gold will not stop before 75,000. We had predicted the rally of 75,000 when gold was around 52,000 here itself, because it had given a breakout over here. And now gold will go to 76,000. Ultimately, by 2025, 2020, late 2025, you will see gold around 90,000 rupees. You will see gold around 90,000. After reaching 75, 76, you will see some correction. After that correction, again, there will be a rally and gold can go to very high levels. Okay. Remember, gold rally is inversely proportional to the stock market. So if there is a rally in gold, there might be correction in the markets. Okay. Along with this, let's see India VIX. What is India VIX doing? The volatility index of India. Okay. This is again a factor which is inversely proportional to the Indian markets. Inversely proportional to the Indian markets. Okay. In one of our videos, if you go to our YouTube channel, I have explained in detail about what is India VIX and how India VIX works. So currently India VIX was coming down. Okay. The fall in India VIX will lead to a rally in the Nifty, okay, in a period of time. Okay. Now, if you see, India VIX is making a green candle after a lot of red candles. Okay. Now, for India VIX, there's a support over here. There's a support level over here. If India VIX breaks this level, 10,000 and goes below, it will indicate that there will be even further rally in Nifty. But if India VIX starts recovering from here, we may see a fall in Nifty. So this is India VIX. Let's see what is the US market doing. Let's go to Dow Jones Industrial Average. And when I go to Dow Jones Industrial Average, you can see I have already drawn the levels. Dow Jones had given a breakdown on Thursday. So Dow Jones also was like in an uptrend, like in Nifty. Dow Jones also was in an uptrend, like we have an uptrend in Nifty. But on Friday, this gave a breakdown. Okay. And on Thursday, it started reverse. On Thursday, it gave a breakdown. And on Friday, it started reversing up. Friday, it started reversing up. But it was rejected by the previous resistance. You can see here, if I match this bottom here. Okay. Now this support, okay, this traditional support here is now acting as resistance. So if you don't see soon, okay, it crossing over and closing above this green line, okay, that is just in Monday, Tuesday, it has to cross over this line and close over here. If it doesn't do that, then you will see a big fall in Dow Jones, which may go extend up to this levels over here, because we have a very strong support after that over here. Okay, so we have to watch carefully what's happening. But coming back to Nifty, as I told you, very crucial levels on Monday and Tuesday. Monday and Tuesday are very, very important for Nifty. So watch carefully, trade carefully. After this, I'll be posting one more video on stock analysis also, which stocks are good to pick it up. So you can watch. Do let us know in the comment section how you like the video. Okay, if there is some points that you want us to be added next time, in the comment section, whatever suggestions you give us, we will take care about it in the next video. So I would request everyone to comment on the video and let us know if you like the video and what are the things you would want us to add next time. So whatever suggestions we get in the comment section, we will surely consider that in the next video. Thank you so much for watching the video. See you guys until next time. If you wish to know more details about StockTech, do not forget to visit our channel www.stocktech.in, and also our subscribe to our do not forget to visit our website www.stocktech.in, and also subscribe to our YouTube channel, that is StockTech. Thank you so much for watching the video. See you guys until next time. Have a good day. Take care.
To join our free WhatsApp group, call 7829295555 or visit www.stocktech.in. This video is for educational and study purpose only. We do not assure, guarantee or promise any returns from the strategy in the video, and we are also not responsible for any profit or loss that you make. Please consult your financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Thank you.